Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Then scroll all the way down, click on System and tap on Languages and Input. Now virtual keyboard and your current keyboard, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color, click on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them, and lastly click Apply. You can also download an image and do the same. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!